Hi viewers, welcome to Thought Bags. Today I am going to share you one more spicy recipe from our spicy bags. Egg bread toast. In this I am going to use egg with the milk. So our toast is going to be very soft. Let's see the ingredients. Let's take 3 eggs into a bowl. Take half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of red chili flakes, it's optional, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 1 cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it very well. Without any lumps, we need to mix it. I am taking egg beater and I am going to mix it very well. Now I am taking into the bigger bowl so that I can dip the bread slices very easily. We need to heat our pan. I am going to dip the bread slices on the both sides so that the batter will be coated nicely on both sides of the bread slice. Pan is hot. Now I'm applying the oil onto that. If you want, you can use even butter also, but now I'm using the oil. Now we roast our bread slice, which is coated very nicely on both sides. Roast the bread slices on both sides in the low flame until the bread turns into the golden color. Now I'm going to roast one more bread slice. For this slice, I am applying batter. Our toast will be a bit spicy by doing so. If you want the less spicy, you can skip this. Now I am going to roast it on both sides in the lower flame. By applying little bit of oil, I am roasting on both sides. Spicy egg toast is ready. It's a very easy snack. Try it once in your house and leave your comments in our comment box. If you like it, share it with your friends. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching Thought Bags.